Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome to NetTech tutorials. In this video I'll show you how to change YouTube profile picture and cover photo step by step. So keep watching and follow my steps. First open your any web browser like Google Chrome. Then go to YouTube. Now make sure you are signed into your account. Then you go to your YouTube channel. I am entering by searching the name of my YouTube channel from here. Now I come to my YouTube channel. And then in this right hand corner you click on your profile icon, then click on YouTube Studio. Then come to the left corner and scroll to the bottom and down here. Now click on the customization. Now select branding. Now hit the change button. Now choose your photo. Then edit your profile picture. Profile image changed. Okay, let's change your cover photo now. Again hit the change button. Then choose your photo and edit your YouTube cover photo. Now hit the publish button. Then click on view channel. Now you can see that the YouTube profile image and cover photo have been changed. I hope this video will help you. Thanks for watching and please like and subscribe to my channel.